RENPHO Cordless Jump Rope. Cordless jump and jump rope, adjustable weighted jump ropes adopt a creative design that allows you to freely switch modes between jump rope and cordless jump. 3M skipping ropes for outdoor exercise adjust to the appropriate length without tools. With a cordless ball, a jump rope can easily be converted to a cordless model, simulating real skipping without the need to actually swing the rope, offering low-impact equipment to people who don't have a large room to work out. Also, it can be a Christmas and New Year gift. Smart RENPHO Health App. RENPHO Smart Digital Jump Rope can connect to RENPHO Health App, iOS 7 Plus and Android 4.3 Plus, via Bluetooth to tell you about cardio exercises. The app will keep track of your workout data, including jump count, calories burned, jumping time, etc., to analyze your periodic workout data. IT is a good choice for Christmas gifts. 3 comfortable fitness modes. Free jump and countdown timer and countdown number. RENPHO Jump Rope integrates 3 sport fitness modes in one for you to choose. Perfect equipment for women and men weight loss. Ideal fitness jump rope for workout, boxing, gym, cardio, or just daily exercise. The built-in chip and 3 sensitive and precise Hall sensors ensure that the data is accurate and precise. Durable PVC protection sleeve. This smart skipping rope is made of high-quality PVC material and metal core, which is wear-resistant and durable, and an extra PVC sleeve is added to protect the skipping rope and prolong the service life of the skipping rope. You will have a smooth and effortless while the jumping experience helps avoid twisting, turning, or bending of the rope. It allows it to be used both indoors and outdoors. Adjustable jump rope length. This jump rope for fitness adopts 3M/9.85 FT PVC steel wire rope, which is durable and non-tangling, can be applied on concrete floor, wood, and stone roads. The adjustable length makes the rope suitable for children and adults. IT is a good choice if you plan to share CrossFit, exercise, boxing, MMA, fitness and exercise with your family. LCD display and non-slip handle. RENPHO Jump Rope counter equipped with silicone non-slip handle made from friendly environmental silicone material. Offers you comfortable touch and non-slip while exercising. Also, the main handle is embedded with a backlit LCD display that provides users with a clear view of data skipping ropes.